Master Minnesota exam is a standardized test for teacher licensure. It assesses knowledge and skills in reading, writing, mathematics, science, social studies, and pedagogy. The passing score for the Master Minnesota exam is 240. This means achieving a scaled score of 240 or higher. To pass, thorough preparation is crucial. Study official test preparation materials and engage in practice tests. Focus on content knowledge. Review the material covered, including specific standards for the relevant grade level. Develop problem-solving skills. The exam requires applying knowledge to solve problems, so practice with real-life scenarios. Time management is also key, as the exam is timed. Allocate more time to questions you feel confident about. When unsure of an answer, use the process of elimination to increase your chances of guessing correctly. If you did not pass, analyze your results to identify areas for improvement. The Minnesota Board of Teaching provides a score report with a performance breakdown in each section. Firstly, review your score report, examining results carefully and identifying areas where you scored below your target. Secondly, seek feedback from a mentor, teacher, or test preparation provider to gain insights on your test performance. Thirdly, focus on areas for improvement. Develop a plan to address weaknesses, which may involve additional studying, practice tests, or seeking support from a tutor. The Master Minnesota exam is challenging but passable with preparation and hard work. Avoid discouragement and use the experience as a learning opportunity, focusing on improving performance for the next attempt. Consider a test preparation course or a tutor to enhance skills. Study official test preparation materials and engage in practice tests. The exam assesses reading, writing, mathematics, science, social studies, and pedagogy skills. The passing score is 240. To achieve a passing score, firstly, prepare thoroughly by studying official test preparation materials and engaging in practice tests. Secondly, focus on content knowledge by reviewing the content covered in the exam, including the specific standards for the grade level you are seeking licensure. Thirdly, develop problem-solving skills. The exam requires you to apply your knowledge to solve problems. Practice solving real-life scenarios. Fourthly, learn time management, as the exam is timed, so it's important to manage your time effectively. Allocate more time to questions you are confident about. Fifthly, use process of elimination. If you are unsure about the answer, try to eliminate incorrect choices to increase your chances of guessing correctly. After the exam, it's important to analyze your results to identify areas where you need improvement. The Minnesota Board of Teaching provides a score report that includes a breakdown of your performance in each section. Firstly, review your score report, carefully examine your results and identify the areas where you scored below your target. Secondly, seek feedback. Consider reaching out to a mentor, teacher, or test preparation provider for feedback on your test performance. Thirdly, focus on areas for improvement. Develop a plan to address your weaknesses. This may involve additional studying, practice tests, or seeking support from a tutor. Don't get discouraged, and use your experience as a learning opportunity and focus on improving your performance for your next attempt.